To more effectively use generative AI, one needs to discern the real-world representation embedded in the language model. This includes understand aspects from domains representing business areas in the language models to personas representing individual descriptions. Generative AI serves as a vast language library, offering insights into understanding the real world. It uses personas to represent individuals with societal roles like parents, HR officers, or disease specialists, each carrying out specialized tasks that require specific skills. Or it can be 20s man, 40s woman, even neutral gendered 70s human. These personas operate within industries modeled as domains. Domains can be thought of as industries, like online shopping, healthcare, or construction. Each domain has reference models that gather rational ways to conduct business. Balanced scorecard, BSC, models allow financial or HR perspectives. Strategic frameworks, like SWOT analysis, are provided to evaluate strengths, weaknesses, and competitive analyses. Numerous methodologies exist, like gamification, 5 whys, or 6 hats. Experts play roles in these industry domains, which we will further examine. Domains are the fields in which users of generative AI belong, like politics, economics, society, or culture. Under these broad categories lie more intricate domains where people have various occupations, living according to their assigned roles. Each domain accumulates wisdom like knowledge and insights, leading to various decision-making methodologies. People can generally grow to have specialities and knowledge in one domain. For example, one might think of law, lawyers, doctors, or professors in specific fields. However, it's tough for humans to be experts across multiple domains. In the AI world, this is possible. Generative AI can be productive and effective in problem solving through the fusion and combination of specific and other domains, acquiring knowledge across various domains. This means, through generative AI, you can derive a virtual individual who is simultaneously an MBA, lawyer, doctor, theologian, and English teacher. And you can say that it is possible to achieve a certain result as a co-pilot or secretary to someone who has this specialized area across multiple domains. In fact, such a part can be expressed in a prompt by the prompt engineers as follows. Let's look at the prompt. Explain the similarities and differences between the New Testament and Buddhist scriptures. If you actually look, those who have studied theology and Christianity will have a very high understanding of theology. However, their understanding of Buddhist scriptures will not be high. Similarly, if someone from the Buddhist side has studied the Buddhist scriptures, their understanding of the Buddhist scriptures will be very high. But on the contrary, the understanding of the New Testament will be low. But I want to get the similarities and differences of these two. To do so, you need a professional level of knowledge in these two domains. You can see that we can get advice through generative AI. Let's actually ask this question. A question that combines the elements of the two domains from artificial intelligence or finds a difference. Explain the similarities and difference between the New Testament and Buddhist scriptures. Let's ask. Well then, the artificial intelligence can tell us what the common elements of the two religions are and what the differences are. In this way, the language model is implemented based on the persona that constitutes within the countless knowledge systems and the role system based on it, using generative AI to model the real world as a domain. And these elements can be comprehensively applied to prompt engineering.